Hey guys, it's Dennis here from Our Dream Homestead. Today I want to tell you guys about a camera I bought for our new homestead here. It's a security camera and it's totally wireless. It's from Reolink. It's a Go PT and it runs off the cellular network, so you don't got to worry about Wi-Fi or an Ethernet plug or anything like that. Like, good for places, cabins or acreages off-grid and stuff, but you need cell reception. And it runs on a SIM card. Like, I read the reviews on it, it's really good. Like, they hold up and they last a long time, and they do what they're intended to do. And the battery is charged by solar, so how better could it get than that? So I'm going to install it here today, and then I'll show you guys where I'm thinking of putting it. So I got it ready here. I actually activated this a while ago. I put the SIM card in, and it has a SD memory card too, 16 gigabyte. And there's the cell antenna. So I'm thinking of putting it just above the ladder there. I'm going to install it there under the window. So this way, like, you can pan and tilt too, so it can watch the driveway there. And then it can watch the front entrance of the home. Yeah, when Cassie the pup is not around, the camera will come in handy. And then it watches the garage too. So that's what we want to do today, is get this security camera up. So I have the bracket up for the camera. Now I gotta install the solar panel bracket. Probably put it on the left side there facing the sun, and it'll power up that camera 24/7 anytime you need it, and battery will never run out of charge. So I'll get that bracket up and then we'll install everything. Okay guys, I got it all set up. Solar panels hooked into the camera. Turned on the camera. I was thinking about going down the ladder before. I thought, oh yeah, I gotta power it up. So now it's to stay charged with the solar panel. And that's the beauty about these things. You don't gotta worry about that battery in there. And maybe in the winter months you might lose charge, but I've seen some guys reviewed this in the winter and they said they had no problem. So we'll see. We'll do another review after I've had it up here for a while. But let's take a look at the phone here. I got the app on there and let's see if it's working. So I'm back in the house and I got the phone out and there's the live view of it. Yeah, I'm really impressed so far with the camera here, and you can view on your computer also, but it's really handy on the phone. And you can get an email sent to you, an alert that the sensor's been triggered. Then you can go right to the live view and see what's going on. And you can pan and tilt. I won't show it here today, but I can turn this camera total opposite direction almost and go up or down. And yeah, you just need a cell connection. Otherwise you don't need any power, any wires, anything like that. That's our German Shepherd Cassie there. She's in front of the camera right now. So yeah, pretty happy with this Reolink Go PT. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on our channel here, Our Dream Homestead. It really is our dream here. We're living it now. If you didn't see the initial video of us moving into the place, I'll put the link below. We're new to country life and we're loving it so far. But lots of things to do here, and this is just one more thing, like for security. we're going to do other things too, and we'll film it. So I'm not affiliated with the camera like the Reolink or anything. So just search that on Google, Reolink Go PT. And there's guys that are doing reviews. They'll do the unboxing and everything. They'll go into more depth into installation and stuff like that. But I just wanted to show you what we're using, and so far so good. And I'll do a review on it in a few months again and let you know how really good it is, because maybe winter will come and I'll say it's not working. But you can also install it in the house too, so maybe we'll put it inside during the winter months. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We'd love to have you here.